Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can insert a game into your Nintendo Switch 2. So we're going to open up the case here and just put your finger on the right hand side there to pop it out. So it kind of hinges from the left, like so. And then we're going to be having it with the picture facing you, contacts facing away. So picture facing you, this is the front of the Switch here. We're going to be lifting up the little reader at the top here, and then we're just going to be placing it in like so. Press down until it clicks into place, like so, and then you will see it's now being recognized, and we can just put that home just like so to keep it all nice and dustproof and out of harm's way. If you want to see it closer up, all we have to do is to get in here, we're going to be using our nail behind it and lifting it up like so, and then press in on the card to take it out, and then it will come all the way out. Put it in with the picture facing you. So basically with this bit here, again, just finger underneath here, lift it up like so. And it's got a lovely little bit of metal at the top here to stop static. Put it in here like so, and then just press down until it clicks in. Makes a nice little click, and then you can just pop that on top like so. It's nice and straightforward. You know when your card's working, because if you have a look here, if I was to go to this game here, can you see that it's blanked out? It's got a little game card, but it's blanked out, while when you put it in, it fills it up. There you go. So you now know this one the game card is not in, but on this one the game card is in, because that little bit there is filled up. When you take it out, it disappears again, just like the Nintendo Switch 1. Thanks for watching.